Hello lovely people, and let's focus on the question number 1.10 of the problems in general physics by Irodov today. This question seems to be easy, and it's actually easy, but as we can say, no question is easy or hard. The question becomes hard if you don't get what the question is saying, and it's easy if you know what to do next, and you can do simply in lucid ways. According to me, it was easy. So let's focus on the question. It's a very numerical based question, so it will involve a large number of calculations, and I think it would be really messed up on this page as my writing is not good. So I would try my best to do this question without messing it up. I would say without messing it up. So let's try to figure out what the question is saying. Question 1.10. Two bodies were thrown simultaneously from the same point, one straight up and the other at an angle theta is equal to 60 degree with the horizontal. Focus on the horizontal, right guys, in front of you. The initial velocity of each body is equal to v naught is equal to 25 meter per second. Neglecting the a drag, find the distance between the bodies. T is equal to 1.7 seconds later. This gives really goosebumps to this question. So let's make a drawing right below here. So where's my pen? So who is messaging right at this time? Let's focus on the question. There is a horizontal. There's a horizontal. In my drawing, it's not a horizontal. One body A is thrown straight up, and another body at an angle theta, which is 60 degree. This let be the origin. This particle goes right above here after 1.7 seconds, and this will be right over here after 1.7 seconds. This velocity would be also equal to v naught. This was equal to v naught for the body A. So let's do this. We know the equation s is equal to ut plus half at square. We know initial velocity of body A over here for body A. Let me write it first for body A. We know the initial velocity, that's equal to 25 meter per second. We know the acceleration, that's equal to the gravity acceleration. Let me draw it over here. G negative direction. What WTF happened to my drawing? G. So the S over here would be simply equal to 25. You know the time 1.7. It was 25, right? Yeah. 25 1.7 plus half. Now let me take it 9.8. I really wish to take 10. Let me take it 10 for simplifying questions. 1.7 whole square. 1.7 whole square. WTF is messaging me right now. 25 into 1.7, what it is over here. Let me simplify it. 35, 14, 17, 5, 2, 5, 12, 3, 4, 4, 47.5, 47.5 plus 5 into 2.89 at a square will be equal to 289. There will be 2 points shifted towards left. What's 2.89 into 5? I know I will mess up this question. I know I will mess up. 44, then 14, this 14.45, 47.5 plus 14.45 right over here. Let's simply add them, and this will give our answer to be equal to what that answer would be equal to. That will be equal to 57. Let me simplify it to 5. 57 plus 10 is equal to 47 plus 10 is 57. 57 plus 4 is equal to 61, and that would give us simply as 62 approx. It's not the answer, right? So this is a y for this part. Let's focus on for body B. This y over here for body B, this was for A, would be simply the component of this velocity right over here towards this part, which will equal V naught sine 60 degree. So it will be 25 sine 60. Time was 1.7 minus half 10 1.7 whole square. Again this value would come over here 14.45. YB is equal to sine 60 is equal to 12.5 root 3 1.7 minus 14.45 right over here. So let me open up my calculator. I'm not in the mood of doing these things right now. I'm pretty messed up. I've done a lot of calculations before today. So let me simply take out my calculator on the laptop. There's my laptop and there's the calculator. Let me find the value of 12.5 into root 3. What's the root of 3? 73 into 12.5. Right for how many seconds? 1.7 seconds. This gives us 36.8, right? As our answer. We will write YB is equal to 36.8 minus 14.45. 36.8 minus 14.45, 22.35. It gives us, and hey, look, this distance over here was equal to y, this over here is equal to yb. Let me subtract them. Ya minus yb would be equal to 62 minus 22.35. I have done a serious blunder right over here above me. This would be a minus sign over here. That's totally WTF my question. So let me write it 47.5. When doing this problem, there's a lot of confusion inside me. I would try my best to resolve these problems in future. 33.05 it gives us. So we will just simply do 33.05 minus 22.35, and that would give us 10.7. The answer is 10.7 right below. Okay, so this value over here is 10.7 meter. I really messed up this question. I have to make another video for this, I think. So we have got 10.7 meter as this. What about this? This would be the range from here to here for this, and now we know the time, we know the velocity. So the x part for B, the range for B would be simply its velocity in that direction, in horizontal direction, that will cos 60. 1 by 2 into 25, and the whole time of motion 1.7. 12.5 into 1.7, which simply give us, let me calculate it fast, into 1.7, 21.25. The wrong pen in my hand. 21.25 meters. As simple as that. This value is 21.25 meter. So what about this thing right over here? This is 90-degree angle. So we could simply write it as a Pythagoras theorem. You can name it A, we can name it, this position is B. Our AB position right over here, our AB right over here would be equal to the root of 21.25. It's simply applying the Pythagoras theorem. 21.3 was 2.25 plus 10.7 square. Let me calculate fast. what is 10.7 into 10.7 plus, and put on a bracket, what is 21.25 into 21.25 right over here. What's the value? It's equal to 566.065. And what's the root of this? The root is 23.79. 23.79. AB is equal to 23.79, and this is our final answer. This was totally a problem based question. It uses simplifying equations, direct equations. So if you are good at the part of numericals, not like me, you can definitely beat this answer. And for competitions like IIT-JEE, AI-EEE, that's AI-EEE is not here, JEE mains today in these states. So you have to focus on the speed of how to do these calculations, these type of calculations, these whole root over here at a very fast rate. I think the answer would be clear, 23.79. And that finishes our another episode of Cracking Irodov. Thank you guys for watching this solution, and I hope that it would help you. Thank you again for watching this solution. Subscribe.